Tallest African mammal. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest mammals in the world, known for their long necks and spotted coats. They are native to Africa and can be found in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Giraffes are herbivores and mainly feed on leaves, flowers, and fruits. Male giraffes can reach heights of up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, while females are slightly shorter, with an average height of around 14 feet, 4.3 meters. Their long necks contain only 7 vertebrae, which are each over 10 inches, 25 centimeters, long. Giraffes are social animals and typically live in groups called towers. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, such as moans, hisses, and grunts, as well as by using their long necks to signal to each other. Unfortunately, giraffes are facing threats to their survival, including habitat loss, poaching, and civil unrest in some parts of Africa. As a result, many conservation efforts are underway to help protect these amazing animals. Add information. Here are some additional information about giraffes. Giraffes are ruminants, which means they have a 4-chambered stomach and chew cud. They spend up to 16 hours a day browsing and can consume up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms, of vegetation in a day. The spots on a giraffe's coat are unique to each individual and can be used to identify them. Giraffes are excellent swimmers and have been observed crossing rivers up to 30 feet, 9 meters, deep. Despite their long necks, giraffes only have 7 cervical vertebrae, which is the same as most other mammals, including humans. Giraffes can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, 56 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest land animals. Baby giraffes, called calves, are born after a 15-month gestation period and can stand and walk within an hour of being born. Giraffes are known to be silent animals and do not have a voice box. However, they do make some sounds, such as snorting and grunting, to communicate with each other. There are 9 subspecies of giraffes, each with slightly different coat patterns and geographic ranges. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, lists giraffes as vulnerable to extinction, with populations declining by up to 40% over the past 30 years due to habitat loss and poaching. Giraffes are important to the ecosystem, as they help disperse seeds, and their browsing behavior can create habitats for other animals. Add information. Sure, here are some more interesting facts about giraffes. The giraffe's tongue is over 18 inches, 45 centimeters, long, which helps them to reach and grab leaves from high trees. Giraffes have very high blood pressure to pump blood up to their brains. Their heart can weigh up to 25 pounds, 11 kilograms, and is 2 feet, 60 centimeters, long. Giraffes have a unique way of sleeping. They often sleep standing up, and they only need 5 to 30 minutes of sleep per day. When they do sleep, they fold their necks and rest their heads on their hips. Male giraffes engage in a behavior called necking, where they use their necks as weapons to fight each other. They swing their necks and heads at each other, attempting to land blows. Giraffes have excellent eyesight, which helps them to spot predators from far away. They can see in color and have a 360-degree view of their surroundings. Giraffes have ossicones, which are bony protrusions on the top of their heads. These are covered in skin and hair and are used by males to establish dominance. Giraffes can go for weeks without drinking water. They get most of their water from the leaves they eat, and they are able to conserve water by sweating very little. Giraffes have a prehensile upper lip, which they use to grasp leaves and other vegetation. They can also use their tongues to strip leaves from branches. Giraffes are not territorial and will often share their range with other giraffes. They communicate using infrasonic sounds, which are too low for humans to hear. Giraffes have a lifespan of up to 25 years in the wild and up to 28 years in captivity. Add information. Sure, here are some more interesting facts about giraffes. The giraffe's scientific name is Giraffacum leopardalis, which means camel leopard in Latin. It was given this name because its coat resembles a blend of a camel's and a leopard's. Giraffes have a 4-chambered stomach, similar to cows, which allows them to digest tough plant material. The giraffe's coat pattern provides camouflage, making it harder for predators to spot them in the wild. Giraffes are able to clean their ears with their long tongue, which is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters, long. Giraffes have a very small voice box and are unable to make any vocalizations, except for occasional snorts or grunts. The giraffe's blood vessels are specially adapted to prevent blood flow from being interrupted when they lower their heads to drink water. Giraffes are social animals and form loose groups of up to 20 individuals. These groups are not permanent and can change frequently. The giraffe's legs are longer than most humans are tall and can be over 6 feet, 1.8 meters, long. Despite their long legs, giraffes have a difficult time getting up from a lying down position. Giraffes are capable of running at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, for short distances. Giraffes are considered a symbol of grace, peace, and elegance. They have been depicted in art and literature throughout history and are a popular animal in zoos around the world.